place above all else. Right now where we stand and everywhere we go, we place you in the highest place so the world will know. You are a mighty warrior, you're dressed in armor of light, crushing the deeds of darkness. Oh Lord, lead us on in the fight. Through the blood of Jesus, victoriously stand. We place you in the highest place above all else in this land. You are a mighty warrior, you're dressed in armor of light, pushing the deeds of darkness. Lead us on in the fight. Through the blood of Jesus, victoriously stand. We place you in the highest place above all else in this land. You are exalted, Lord, above all else. We place you in the highest place above all else. Right now where we stand and everywhere we go, we place you in the highest place so the world will know. You are a mighty warrior, you're dressed in armor of light, crushing the deeds of darkness. Lead us all in the fight. Through the blood of Jesus, victory.
People sometimes that they get upset about things that they should never get upset about. Can you say amen? Bert Crapo sent me this week, and I thought it was funny, and I wanted to share it with you. It's supposedly a story of some inner city school that put this on their particular answering machine, and they had been getting a lot of requests, and somebody thought it was funny, so they did it. He said, it says, "Hello, you've reached the automated answering service of your school. In order to assist you in connecting the right staff member, please listen to all the options you have before making a selection. First of all, to lie about why your child is absent, press 1. To make excuses for why your child did not do his work, press 2. To complain about what we do, press 3. To swear at staff members, press 4. To ask why you don't get information that was already enclosed in your newsletter and several flyers mailed to you, press 5. If you want us to raise your child, press 6. If you want to reach out and touch, slap, or hit someone, press 7. To request another teacher for your child for the 3rd time this year, press 8. To complain about bus transportation, press 9. To complain about school lunches, press 0. If you realize this is the real world and your child must be accountable and responsible for his or her own behavior, classwork, homework, and that it's not the teacher's fault for your child's lack of effort, please hang up. Now, how many of you would like to solve all your problems by an answering machine? That'd be a great thing, wouldn't it? The passage of scripture we just read is interesting because Jesus just says to his disciples, get in the boat, go the other side. There's a lot of times in life that the Holy Spirit tells us the will of God when Jesus says to get in the boat, go to the other side. But in this passage of scripture, there's several things that are happening here. And I want to show you this morning what Jesus meant when he said get in the boat and go the other side. If you look at Mark chapter 6, verses 45 and 46, he just simply said, he made the disciples get in the boat and go before him to the other side, and he departed to the mountain to pray. He just said,
your kingdom come, and I wanna hear you say, welcome home, my child, well done.
Reason number 583 to not call 911. I've got that for you coming up. This is Elevation Worship on the Joy FM.
Walking around these walls, I'm going straight to hell. I'm going straight to hell, just like my mama said. I'm going straight to hell, and I'm gonna burn it down, baby. The Black Widow and the Ladies Man met down at the laundromat and tried to make me understand. Just then, a mother burst in and said, you're the son of that bitch in the wind. Get out of my house and hit the road. And I kept falling like a rolling stone. So I'm going straight to hell, just like my mama said. I'm going straight to hell. I'm going straight to hell, just like my mama said. I'm going straight to hell. The stars came out and warned me so as I walked on down the road. $50 and a suitcase steered me clear. She took my hand as we walked into the sun. A new day's promise had just begun. Want me to get hello, whether you like it or not. And I turn around and shout and hand me mama. And I'm going straight to hell, just like my mama said. I'm going straight to hell. I'm going straight to hell, just like my mama said. I'm going straight to hell.
More country next. More country next. 94.9 The Bull.
One on the Bull is on the streets.
I'm getting a head start on my fall sweater weather body here at the Superior County North Georgia State Fair here in Marietta. It's Paul Aaron. So much fair food. I think my favorite so far, the deep fried peanut butter and jelly. So good. You know, they don't call this the largest fair in North Georgia and Metro Atlanta for nothing. So many rides. Just checking out the Midway. So many shows. Human Cannonball, that was, so far, this probably tops my list. They have so much entertainment. The Farm Animals Blue Ribbon Contest. And then, of course, a bunch of country music. Dylan Scott tonight, free concert with fair admission. You've got Montgomery Gentry and Riley Green next weekend. And then this upcoming week, you've got Colt Ford, you've got Crowder, and EC.